We go through 3 stages in life. Your first stage is you do not know what you do not know. No one was aware of syntax until you saw this program. Once you saw it, you were aware of what you did not know, which means you didn't know about the math interface on language. For that fact, for 8,500 years, the entire population of the planet Earth in 5,000 languages did not know about the math interface on syntax until 1988 when I broke the code. And then when you know what you know, you become a teacher and stand up here like I do and educate people. The math is...
Welcome back to Ray's Wisdom. I wanted to make this video to clarify some things here out in the public so that no one have the wrong misconception of my volition and what I'm doing here. What I'm doing here in conveying this technology, quantum grammar, is not for money, nor do I sell anything for profit using this technology. Yes, I do plan to release a course in the future that explains in detail the quantum grammar mechanics for those who are serious about this technology. Other than that, I'm not here trying to sell anybody anything. If I have a skill, like riding a bike, I can choose to teach you how to ride a bike if I want to. And what I'm doing here, talking about quantum grammar, expressing quantum grammar, is because it's something that I want to do. It's my function to do so, so I'm doing it. It's a fun pastime for me to do so. And besides, no one else out there doing it, except for one other guy I know. And this technology is not really hidden from anyone. It's just that I notice when people get the information about this technology, they start joining cults and have misconception and presumption and assumption about this technology. And then they go out having mud fight with each other about the technology that's supposed to come and unite us. The fighting is something that we're supposed to leave behind for the fiction system. There's no place in this space, this quantum grammar space, for any bickering and fighting with each other. This technology, like Jason-Matthew:Glass said, is pure. It is a pure technology. What you decide to do with it, it's your business. But the technology itself is pure. You should be able to learn the technology if you want it, and to use it if you want it. No one should have authority over you with that technology. This is something that you create authority for yourself once you learn this technology, and you can perform the mechanics. You can write your own contract. You won't need anybody else once you learn the technology. It's as simple as that. It's the simplest thing in the world. Once you learn it, it's yours. You don't owe anything to anyone. This is the beauty of this. And this is what I see they don't understand out there about this technology. I'm hearing all sorts of things about how to get in this technology, as if this technology is some kind of new age church or something. This is something that you cultivate on your own. Yes, of course, you want the correct mechanics. You want to learn from somebody that have the correct mechanics, but this is something, in my experience, that you have to really want, and you have to work really hard to understand it, to be able to perform it, and to have it in your back pocket. Whenever you've been attacked, you can pull it out like a sword and just chop shit up. And that's the way I see this technology. That's the way I use it, to stop the fiction entity from coming in and try to control shit. I don't use it to hurt people. I am a peaceful and neutral vessel. And if you want to contract with me, you already know my terms and conditions. Your contract must be written in the correct sentence structure. Otherwise, you can take a walk. And I'm not interested in the fiction construct. If you like your fiction construct, fine, have your fiction construct. But I lay down my terms and conditions if you want to contract with me. I wanted to get that out of the way because there seems to be some confusion out there of what exactly it is that I'm trying to achieve here. And if you do want to learn quantum grammar, yes, you can contact us and we can arrange something. But first, you already know you got to be vetted. Because like I say, I don't think this technology is for everyone. And if we do decide to teach you this technology, it's going to have to be under my terms and condition, which is peaceful and neutral. Otherwise, you can beat it. You found the wrong channel. But if you are serious about this technology, you know what it is and what it can do, then Raise Wisdom, this channel, is here to help you learn this technology. Correct sense and structure, communication, per se, syntax, grammar, language, performance, if you want it.
Like and subscribe and hit that bell button.